Randy from Eternal Harvest Home Decor, and today I'm sitting in my daughter's room. I'm sitting on a brand new project that I'm going to walk you through today, her day bed that my daughter, me and my daughter, she designed. I helped her build. We did this whole process together and I got most of it on camera, and I definitely made plans for you guys. So stick around, I'll walk you through the process. The plans will be linked below if you want to check those out. There's printable options as well. And hopefully you like the video and this gorgeous bed. We started this project off by cutting the legs for the bed. We're using 2x3s instead of 2x4s for the whole structure because it saved us a little bit of money. These legs are cut to 29 3/4 inches and we cut 4. We also cut our 78-inch cross pieces and our front to back arm pieces at 39 inches. Then we pocket holed these pieces in order to attach the entire thing together. We are using 2 1/4 inch screws to attach the 39-inch pieces to the legs of the bed. We're pocket holing them and making sure the pocket holes are on the bottom side so that they're not seen when the bed is upright. I am using Gorilla Glue inside each of the joints. We also attached our 78-inch pieces to the legs as well on the back. One goes flush to the top of the leg and one is 7.5 inches up from the base. And that is the back end. Then we will put one across the front in order to hold the plywood in so that the mattress can sit on that base. We had some plywood cut down to put inside the bottom of the bed where the mattress will sit. We added 3 braces to help support the plywood as well. Now we're attaching the 1x2s to the inside of each of the legs. This is where our slats will be able to attach to, and it is described a little bit better in the plans, but the 1x2 is flush to the inside of each leg, and that leaves about 1/2 inch on the outside where the slats are able to fit. So she's attaching these with 1 3/4 inch brad nails and some glue. These are just some garden stakes that we sanded down and cut to the right height in order to make the slat look and save a little bit on money. And here you can see the 1x2 is flush to the inside of the leg, which leaves a little groove on the outside where those slats are able to go. She measured out how many slats were needed to be spaced evenly and then marked her spacing along the top and the bottom of the leg so that her slats would end up being straight. For this size of bed we measured and they're about 6 inches apart all the way along the side, the back, and then the other arm. Here you can see how these 1/2 inch garden stakes fit right into that little groove on the top and bottom of the arms to create the slatted look. And then you can nail right into the 1x2 that was attached earlier. Now the back 2x3s are vertical, they're on their edges rather than flat, so there's not a 2.5 inch surface to attach the trim to in order to hold the slats in. So instead of using a 1x2, we had to get a 1x1 inch trim, and we cut that down to 78 inches and then attached it the same way we did the 1x2s to the inside edge of the 2x3 and then put the slats on the back side of that as well. And here's what the basic bed looks like before we put the mattresses on. The plywood's down, the slats are in, and it's perfect. Isn't it so cute? At this point, you can paint it or stain it whatever color you'd like. We chose to leave it raw. She really likes the color of the raw pine and Doug fir, so we left it like that and then waited on some bedding to come. Aren't they cute? She did a fantastic job. Watching her learn while she built this bed was a really special moment for me. She's never shown any interest in woodworking until this project. And this moment where she got to just sit down on her bed and enjoy it and look at what she has accomplished, like, melted my heart. So Okay, that is it. That is how we built this day bed. It was really fast and really easy. You can do it in a weekend and get a beautiful bed. We opted not to paint and only to seal this bed because she really likes the color of the raw wood. She feels like it's very boho-esque, and so we left it raw because of the color, and we just put a little sealant around the outside where handprints and things like that will be touching. And the rest of it is how it is. Thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the other videos. And if you're interested in more home decor, you can hit the button below and check out all of my list of DIY home decor. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time.